Hi, my name is Belinech Rabba. I am 40 years old. I love nature and wandering in it. When you wander around in nature, your energy is renewed and gives you a new breath. There is nothing more beautiful than the picturesque nature with all its terrain, as it adds calm and happiness to our life. Wisdom says, look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. But my message is addressed to everyone who claims to love nature, and when he visits it, he does not respect it, and leaves his waste in it. Please do not leave your waste and put it back in the trash bags.